Hi boys and girls, are you ready for some Ozobot fun? This time you're going to be making a Mother's Day card, and it's going to be super cool because the Ozobot is going to be tracing hearts and doing different tricks for you depending on what color that scans, and you can record it on Seesaw and send it to your mom. So let's go. Let's get started. You need some materials. This paper, you need a red marker, green marker, and a blue marker, and your Ozobot. Pause the video and get your materials. Let's get started. This says Happy Mother's Day, and it says love blank. You need to fill in your name here because this Mother's Day card is from you. And then you need to color in all of the number ones red. Here's the number one, here, 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 and here. Color all of those boxes red, and you need to stay in the lines. They're tiny boxes, but you need to stay in the lines. Now let's go to the number 2 box. This is our color key. Number 2 has to be green. Green, green, and green. Color those green for me. Now the number 3 box has to be blue. So I see a box that needs to be blue here, box that needs to be blue here, and here. Once you color in all your boxes the right colors, depending on what number it is, you get to put your Osmo on the black line and let it go. Watch it do a bunch of fun tricks and cool things. Once you're done playing with it and seeing what it does, then you can film your video of the Osmo tracing and doing cool tricks around the 2 hearts and send it to your mom on Seesaw. Be a great Mother's Day card. Have fun!